These double knot rolls may take a few extra seconds to shape, but are worth the extra effort. To make a double knot roll, start by rolling a 2 to 3 ounce piece of dough into a rope about 8 to 12 inches long. Roll the rope until it's smooth. Make a loop with the top half of the dough, giving the closed end a 1/2 inch overlap of dough. Now turn the loop over so the long piece is on top, and wind the long piece behind the overlap, and bring the end back up through the loop to make a figure 8. I hope you and your family will enjoy this new figure 8 twist on a classic shape.